We want to find the sum of the first 75 terms of this sequence. So what do we know? Our first term, a sub 1, is 21. This is arithmetic. 21 to 26 is up 5, 26 to 31 is up 5, 31 to 36 is up 5, etc. So the common difference is 5. Now, how do we find the nth term? The nth term is always the first term plus n minus 1 steps of the common difference. So in our example here, the nth term is the first term, 21, plus n minus 1 times the common difference is 5. Now I'd like to know what the last term is, so I need the 75th term. Goal, find a sub 75. What's the 75th term in that list? Well, we plug that in here to see what we get. A sub 75 is 21 plus 75 minus 1 times 5. So a sub 75 is 21. We're starting at 21, then we take 74 steps. Each step is size 5. So the 75th term is 21 plus 74 times 5, and we get 391. So that's my last term. So a sub 75 is 391. Now, how am I going to find the total? I always like to play first and last. So my first term is 21. My second term is 26. My third term is 31. My last term is 391. What's the one before that? Well, the common difference is 5. 391 minus 5, the one before that would be 386. And the one before that, 5 fewer, would be 381. And we always look at the first and the last to see what they total up to. First and the last, let's see what they total up to. 21 plus 391 is 412, so the total is 412. 26 plus 386, also 412. 31 plus 381, also 412. So our total for each pair is 412. Now, how many pairs do I have? There were 75 numbers in the list. So I have 75 divided by 2 pairs. And the one that's in the middle will be exactly half, 412. So that my total is the number of pairs times the amount per pair. So the sum is 75 divided by 2 pairs times 412. What's that going to give me? 75 divided by 2 times 412 is going to give me 15,450. Now I'd like to check this, and you'll notice that I have this equation up here for the nth term. So I can plug that in, but I need 75. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite it in terms of k. That's my preferred variable. So a sub k is 21 plus k minus 1 times 5. And I want the sum of the first 75 a sub k's. So I want the sum as k goes from 1 to 75 of a sub k, which will be the sum as k goes from 1 to 75 of 21 plus k minus 1 times 5. So we will feed that into the graphing calculator and hope that we get 15,450. So let's go to the graphing calculator and see what we get. Again, back to the summation, math. 0 is summation. K goes from 1 to 75. K goes from 1 to 75 of inside parentheses 21 plus parentheses k minus 1 times 5, alpha k minus 1, parentheses times 5. And we hope that it will be 15,450. And it is 15,450.